Hello parents, welcome to new academic year of Standard 9. I am Yasir Sayyed. Mathematics has always been a subject of extreme. The word mathematics gives terror to most students, whereas there is a small percentage who loves it to the core. But you don't need special equipment, millions of dollars, or lots of people to understand math. You just need your mind. Mathematics is pure. It does not rust or decay. It only needs your thought to make it work. Mathematics goes beyond the real world, yet the real world seems to be ruled by it. Even people without mathematical training can use their fingers to count, can use basic logic to solve things, and can recognize different properties of shapes. Mathematics is challenging to your mind, and that is what it makes it fun. There is nothing better than working on a difficult puzzle and then getting a breakthrough. In Walnut School, you are going to study this subject with lot of fun. In mathematics, we do arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and commercial mathematics. Walnut School always thinks one step ahead. As the result, some of the lessons from Standard 9 students have already studied in Standard. We plan to finish remaining lessons of Standard 9 in middle of Unit 3. So some of the lessons of Standard 10 can be studied in Unit 3 and Unit 4. This gives us opportunity to finish the syllabus of Standard 10 earlier next year so that we can revise the curriculum more times and get ready for exams better way. In mathematics, basics are very important to understand new concepts easily, as the concepts in Standard 9 and further Standard 10 keep getting more complex. For this need of students, Walnut School conducts a remedial batch. In this batch, we try to clear basics of the students and then teach the main concepts of Standard 9. Mathematics is not only a subject, it's family of subjects. For solving word problems, we need to understand problem. So English is important for it. Sometimes we use concepts of science like speed, distance and time for clearing basics, and even some concepts students can refer videos of Walnut as well. In videos, concepts are taught and some questions are also solved. We follow NCERT textbook to study mathematics in Standard 9. For additional practice, we use Mathematics Exemplar Sheet, which is a practice book prescribed by NCERT. Now most important question, how mathematics is taught in Walnut School? In mathematics, all lessons are divided concept-wise. So we cover one important concept every day. Students solve one or more questions on each concept with teacher. Some questions are done by students in front of teacher and some questions are for homework. We focus on solving all the questions from the whole textbook. With that, exemplar gives us more difficult questions to solve, which helps students to improve analyzing and solving difficult problems. There are weekly tests scheduled for students to analyze their knowledge and understanding the concepts. Walnut School schedules mathematics tests of 25 marks after every alternate week. Though marks of these tests are not included in final results, these tests are good revision for unit tests and terminal exams. As everyone does not like the subject, knowledge and understanding of the subject is not same for all students. We teachers identify students who are lagging behind in certain concepts due to lack of basics, and weekly remedial batches are conducted in Walnut School. We also conduct activities which give fields of mathematics, and students' ability of thinking, visualizing and reasoning is improved. It makes Walnut students tough outside and smart inside. Now, how do we conduct examinations? Whole year is divided in two terms. In each term, there are two practice test exams and one terminal exam. Exams are of only descriptive type, in which we follow Standard 10 board pattern. For the practice of students to get ready for Standard 10 board exams, both unit tests and terminal exams are of 80 marks each. As per the board exam timings, students have to complete the paper within 3 hours. Remaining 20 marks are internal, which are based on completed files and assignments. Marks are also given for class participation and being part of school activities so that students try to focus on being a good student. Portions for each exam are given in the respective units. First terminal exam contains the chapters from Unit 1 as well as Unit 2, whereas second terminal exam will have portions of Unit 3 and Unit 4. In addition to that, some important lessons from Unit 1 and Unit 2 are also included in Terminal 2 exam. Mathematics is not the subject which depends on the current curriculum. For mathematics, students have to be sharp and they need to recollect all concepts they have studied from the lower classes. For that, solving multiple choice questions are very important. Walnut School provides 3 class tests in each unit which are objective type. Walnut uses a great platform Valmiki to give students opportunity to assess themselves. In mathematics, with basics, equally important thing is practice. Today's practice makes students to get ready for tomorrow. With that, continuity is also important in mathematics. For that, we expect students not to be absent. Because if student remains absent for one day, it will break the link and apparently students will miss a lot. Writing solutions clearly and stepwise is must in mathematics. If student does not get the correct answer, while going step by step, student can identify own mistakes. By different methods of cross-checking, students can check whether answer is correct or not. To be good in mathematics, 1 hour a day practice is must. If you are attentive in class and good in calculations, you can solve any question from any exercise with concentration. So you will study maths this year with lot of fun. Thank you.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.